Hey guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to do synthetic division with polynomials. Alright, so let's do an example here. So let's say we have x cubed minus 2x squared minus 5x plus 6. And we have to divide this by x minus 3. So this is what we need to solve. So our first step is going to be solving for the x value in this term right here. So let's solve for x. X minus 3 is equal to 0. Solve for x is equal to 3. So we have our 3. So how do we set this up? So we put 3 here, draw a big L. So this 3 is going to be whatever value this is here, value of x here. And keep in mind this only works when there is no coefficient in front of x. So if you have like 2x minus 3, it doesn't work. You can only do it when you have 1 in front of the x. Alright, so we'll put the 3 here and write the coefficient of each term in the polynomial. So for x cubed, the coefficient is 1, x squared coefficient is negative 2, x coefficient is negative 5, 6 is just 6. Okay, so we're going to write the answers here. So let's bring down, so first step, we bring down this number, bring it down here, we got a 1. And you multiply. So whatever number is in the bottom here, you need to multiply with this number at the top. So 1 times 3 is 3. And in this column, you add up and down. You add up and down. So negative 2 plus 3 is just 1. So multiply 1 times 3, 3. Negative 5 plus 3, negative 2. Negative 2 times 3, negative 6. 6 plus negative 6 is just 0. So this leaves our remainder as 0. So this isn't our answer, right? So how would we write this as a full answer to solve? So this is just the coefficient of the values. So this, since we have 3, it would be x squared, x, and the regular term. So we have 1x squared, which is x squared, plus 1x, which is x, minus 2. And since our remainder is 0, we don't have to add anything extra. So this is our solution for this equation up here. Okay, let's try one more example, but with the remainder. Okay, let's say we have 3x cubed minus 2x squared minus 150 divided by x minus 4. Let's say we have to solve this. So first step, you gotta solve for x here. Since we don't have a coefficient, we can do that. So x is equal to 4. Use that 4 to both sides. Let's draw the big L again. Put our 4 here. Let's find the coefficients. So coefficient of x cubed is 3. Coefficient of negative 2, of coefficient of x squared is negative 2. And notice how we don't have an x. When we don't have a variable when we don't have a coefficient in the polynomial, we replace it with the 0. So pretend that there's an x here and just make it 0x. So, and then negative 150. So if we were missing an x squared as well, it would be 3x cubed minus 150. You would do 3, 0, 0, negative 150. You need to fill in all the variables, x cubed, x squared, whatever the highest number is. So if it was x to the 4th power, you would need an x to the 4th, x cubed, x squared, x, and the constant. Okay, so first step, bring this 3 down, 3, multiply, 12, add, 10, multiply, 40, add, 40, multiply 160, and this leaves us with a remainder of 10. So what do we do here? Our remainder is 10, right? So basically what you have to do, let's write write out our polynomial first. So we have 3x squared plus 10x plus 40. And this is with our remainder 10. So what you do with the remainder is basically get the remainder and divide it by the divisor. I think this is the divisor, this term here. So divide this by x minus 4. So this is basically the solution. So you would write this entire thing as your solution. And yeah, that's how you do synthetic division.